over Maki Teresa that time. 13 racks to 7 na naging scoreline nila nun.
And since then, yung mga panalo ng Manila MSW Mavericks, Paul Kenneth Arpilleda resurrected.
Biglang tumakbo, 4-0 run to end that night. Ito si Kenneth Arpilleda.
And of course, the most epic of them all.
Hidalgo winning over Mars Alcris Quizon. John Drasir Mauricio, part 1, winning against Tristan Diocareza.
So again, this is the second appearance nitong si John Drasir Mauricio sa ating singles. Pwede na po yan. Second round na tayo. Scene action sa one-on-one para sa Negros Occidental Pillars. And yung tira ni Mauricio from in the past few racks has been spot on except for this one. This
He's challenged to that other corner pocket, Noel.
mabuti na lang. Ang pangalan niya ay John Drasir Mauricio.